Hi, this is Renee Alexandra from Brandman University, and I'm going to be presenting on a supporting health communication campaign talking about depression. I'm going to present a publicly available educational piece produced about depression by the World Health Organization. It's called Depression, Let's Talk. Here goes.
Depression is the largest cause of disability worldwide. At worst, depression can lead to suicide. In humanitarian emergencies, 1 in 5 people are affected by depression and anxiety. Depression and anxiety lead to a global economic loss of $1 trillion per year. On average, just 3% of government health budgets is invested in mental health. Depression can be prevented and treated at relatively low cost. Treatment usually involves talking therapy or antidepressant medication, or both. If you think you have depression, talk to someone you trust. Seek professional help. Depression. Let's talk.
So that was a presentation, a video that was presented by World Health Organization. I've created an infographic on depression, which I'm going to be presenting next. Basically, what I used was that video to create this infographic. The very first topic that they talked about was that depression is the #1 cause of disability in the world, and that suicide is a result of depression. So sometimes depression may lead up to suicide. 1 in 5 people are affected by depression during humanitarian emergencies, and $1 trillion per year are lost to depression and anxiety throughout the world. Considering that only 3% of the government health budget goes into mental health, which is a surprisingly low number, depression can be prevented and treated at a very low cost. Treatment options that the World Health Organization presented was that you can use talking therapy and or medication, although there are countless other treatment options that are holistic. They do recommend that you talk to a trusting person and or seek professional help if you think you have depression. That concludes my presentation. This is the reference that I used for this presentation. Have a good day. Thank you very much for staying and watching.